For less than 95, we're going to be reducing rates before we multiply. So since less than 70, we've been practicing reducing fractions before multiplying, or else canceling. Okay, so we had 3 on top, 3 goes into 6 2 times. There's 5 on top, 5 on bottom, a 2 and a 4, 2 goes into 4 2 times. Okay, 1's on top, 2 times 1 times 2 is 4. Okay. We can cancel units before multiplying just as we cancel the numbers. So if I have 4 miles per hour times 2 hours, okay, I want to know how far I went. Notice how I have an hours on top and hours on bottom. They can cancel out. Okay, just like numbers. So now my only label left is miles, and 4 times 2 is 8 miles. Since rates are ratios of 2 measures, multiplying and dividing rates involves multiplying and dividing units. So, it says multiply 55 miles per hour by 6 hours. Okay? I'll put it over 1, just make it easier to see. Okay? Now, those numbers I can't cancel out. I always like to cancel out my numbers first if I can. Here I can't cancel out any numbers because all I have on bottom is 1. So no matter what, I know I'm going to have 1 on bottom. Okay? On top, 55 times 6. At 330. Okay, now I look at my labels. I have miles up here, there's no miles on bottom, that's going to stay. I have hours up here, I have hours down here, they cancel out. So all I have left is 330 miles over 1, which is 330 miles. Okay, so remember, our units cancel out just like our numbers. Let's try another one. It says multiply 5 feet times 12 inches per, remember per is our fraction bar, per foot. Okay, the 5 feet is going to be over 1. Okay, let's start with our numbers. There's no numbers to cancel out, so I multiply my numbers and you get 60. Okay, now I look at my units. I have feet on top, I have feet on bottom, they're going to cancel out. Okay, I have inches on top, that's my only label left, so I'm going to keep that. I get 60 inches. Okay. So just remember, units cancel out just like our numbers. And in this case, we need to cancel out our units before we're multiplying so that all we have left is that 1 unit. So go ahead, try A through G, see if we can't figure them out. Okay, remember, reduce before we multiply and reduce units, cancel units before we multiply. If you have any questions, make sure you bring them to class.